Welcome to J Telecom Services Ltd, a leader in choice and value. Our extensive range includes business telephone systems, CCTV, network cabling, and Wi-Fi solutions. With a choice of brands such as 3CX, NEC, and Panasonic, we can offer you a telephone system to suit your business needs. Heard of Voip? Do you have remote workers? Need to create web meetings or run webinars? Then we have the right solution for you. With the 3CX telephone system, we can help connect staff and clients no matter where they are. With Hikvision CCTV, the world's leading provider of surveillance products, we can deliver high-definition images to help keep you protected for both home and business with remote viewing from your phone. Suffering from Wi-Fi connection issues? Using brands such as Ubiquiti and Draytech, we can offer full connectivity throughout your building. J Telecom Services Ltd has been supplying and installing equipment throughout the Northwest, being called on many times to subcontract to many other companies. We have a vast range of knowledge within telecom and data solution. Let us network your office to connect all your office equipment, such as phones, PCs, and printers, etc. Do you have noise on your telephone lines, network running slow, or broadband issues? Struggling to get someone to attend to look at your issues? Then why not give us a call? Tired of seeing old unnecessary wires around the office? Then we can trace back, reroute, or strip out anything not needed. Maybe you're not sure what you're looking for, or you have in-depth knowledge of your needs. Regardless, we can help. Work carried out by J Telecom Services Ltd carries a 12-month warranty. Keep up to date with all of our news via our blog at ljtelecomservices.com or find us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Let us help you make things easy.